Hey, so we're gonna do a little video watching John Covington. He's coming in the door right now. He's setting up his all his stuff to do a photo shoot, a little video for this Dirty Tail. It's gonna be featured in Easy Ride. You can just keep setting up, John. We're just kind of watching you or whatever.
But this super exciting stuff, right? Yeah. Captivating.
Yeah, but you know what? If it ain't set up right, the end result isn't that great. Yeah. This bike's going to be featured in Easy Rider magazine here pretty quick. Dave Nichols. This is my showroom, and we won't bore you with any more.
What's the name of your fish up there?
I don't know. I haven't named it. I caught that thing in Hawaii, though. When I pulled it out of the water, it looked just like that.
It was exactly like that, all airbrushed and everything.
Yeah, it was just.
There you go. Now they can decide.
That was how it was born.
Right? Tell us what to name it, guys.
Right? What do we name that thing?
That's a contest.
Yeah.
There it is.
Coming.
Yeah. What do
name that fish?
Fish. The koi marlin.
So now we'll pan to get John in his natural state.
No, that's my
Get out of the way, Ben.
If you come in, dude, I'm gonna leave you like this.
Grabbing gear.
Yeah.
Don't worry, John. We know someone's got to do it.
Yeah. We've also got a couple sneak peek pictures behind the scenes that we're going to add into this too, so stand by. It's been a pleasure. Ooh. All right. Where does that air at? Just post it. It looks like paper. We cut the neck off these bikes. We use the older soft tails. We put the bagger front end on. Kind of just going through what the bike is. We get rid of all the ill handling soft tail stuff. Throw in our swing arm shocks. They're called Dirty Tails. Finally got rid of Covington. He tried to stay around, eat all our cookies and stuff, you know, but we ain't having that. So he got done with his video of the bike. It's going to go on Easy Riders Online magazine. I'm probably saying that wrong. This bike's coming out in the next issue of Easy Rider 2. Thanks for checking us out and today riding along with us while we did the little photo shoot and interview. Bird's a word, baby. Thank you.